And away they go, and a strong break in the middle from 4 as 4 leads as they go towards the first bend, followed by 5 and 3. 4 now takes them around the first bend, followed closely by 5 as 3 then and 6, 1 and 2 as 4 now and 5 go down the far side. It's 4, 5, 3 and 6 as they go down the far side. 5 staying on the inside, 4 completely on the outside. 4 as they go around the second last bend as they come around the final bend. 4 still leads and 5. 4's gone wide at the finish there. 4 continues to lead as they go towards the line. 4 wins it in a winning time of 29.40.